Oh yeah, I was doing some cleaning today with this thing. I can't figure out how to get the brush going. That's so I started dusting with it. Thing's powerful. When I got done using it, the damn lights flickered after I turned the thing off. I was like, damn, must be using up some energy. But I can't figure out how to get the rotaries to go on the bottom for the carpet, so I was just using it for dusting. My brother ran off with my rainbow out in the garage, and I just didn't want to go out there and mess with it because I know it's gonna be that water's gonna be stinking. It's been sitting there for 2 or 3 days. I want to smell it.